So here we have the Sony CCD V200. As you can see, I've taken it apart quite severely to get to the core, and the tape deck is still functioning. This is the part I need mainly for this camera's audio functionality. It has 3 different audio output modes. PCM is the one I need. I think the other one is mix, and third one escapes me now, but that's basically why I need this camera to be working. I suppose it functions more like a video 8 deck, and yeah, some of the decks have the audio capabilities that I need, but I'm struggling to find one. So if I press play, you can see it's working fine. In fact, yeah, all the functions work. Fast forward, rewind. The only thing that's not working, which I need, is the output. So here we have the video composite output here, mono output here, and then this is what I need, the left and right audio output, and this is the 3-way selector for the audio, which has PCM and the other 2 options. But yeah, so when I plug it in at the moment, I don't hear anything, and I can't see anything. I can post an image later, a still image of what I get, but it's basically a black screen, maybe a bit of flickering if I remember. Alright, I'm just going to flip this over. So this is the flip side, and yeah, when I saw that it had these fuses, I thought I was in luck, but they were all functioning fine, so I've taken them out and tested them, and yeah, there doesn't appear to be any issues with those 25 amp fuses. And I also took this whole thing like this into a local electronic shop, and the guy had a look, and he examined the transistors, and he didn't seem to think that there was any signs of that these are blown. So yeah, my electronic skills are fairly limited. I have a voltmeter and a lot of enthusiasm, but that is about it. So any suggestions of what to do next, or if anyone knows anyone that could repair this, then yeah, that would be greatly appreciated if anyone could get in touch. It only right now it doesn't function because I've disabled it from the lens section. So yeah, it needs to be plugged in with this lead for it to work. I managed to find the full manual with all the circuit diagrams and everything. I'm just going to flip it over again. This part here is for the audio inputs. I think it had quite a lot of editing functionality within the camera, so you could potentially record a CD track, or take an external source and record it onto your home movies. But yeah, the headphones out socket here doesn't give me anything, and that is This is not S video in the middle of the screen here, that is a remote. So yeah, that is not an output option.